Hello everybody, hello grade 6. This is Mr. Samir. Today we'll study what we studied before in week 2. Compare and ordering decimals, round whole numbers and decimals, addition and subtraction of decimals. So let's start. First, to compare with less than, equals, or greater than. To compare between the two numbers 0.46, 0.39, first equate the decimal places, two decimal places, two decimal places. So start to compare between the two numbers from left to right. 0, 0, they are the same. 4 and 3. 4 is greater than 3. So the left hand side is greater than the right hand side. 9.8, 9.80. So equate the decimal places by insert 1 0. So we have the same number. So we can write equals. 0, 4 decimal places, 4 decimal places. 0, 0, they are the same. 4, 4, they are the same. Look at the 100th place, 2 and 1. 2 is greater than 1, so the left hand side is greater than the right hand side. Next, equate the decimal places, insert 1 0. Then you can start to compare between two numbers digit by digit. 0, 0, they are the same. Point, 8 and 7. 8 tenth, 7 tenth. 8 is greater than 7, so you have to write greater than. Next, two decimal places, 4 decimal places, so you have to insert 00. 2, 2, they are the same. 3, 3, they are the same. Look at the 100th place, 4 and 5. 4 is less than 5, so the left hand side is less than the right hand side. Next, 3 decimal places, 3 decimal places. 0, 0, they are the same. Look at the 10th place, 7 at the left, 9 at the right. 7 is less than 9, so you have to write less than. Next, 0, 0, they are the same. 5, 5, they are the same. 0 and 1. 0 is less than 1, so you have to write less than. Next, 4 decimal places, 4 decimal places. Now, compare digit by digit from left to right. 0, 0, they are the same. 5, 5, they are the same. 6, 6, they are the same. 9, 9, they are the same. Look at the 10,000th place, which is the last digit 1. The last digit is 0. 1 is greater than 0, so we can say that the left hand side is greater than the right hand side. Equate the decimal places, just put 0 in 100th place. We have the same number. You have to write equals. 91 and 90, the whole part 91, the whole part 90. But if you equate the decimal places, no problem, it doesn't change. 91 is greater than 90, so you have to write greater than. Next exercise, write in order from greatest to least. First step, equate the decimal places. 2 decimal places, 1 decimal place, so you have to write it as 8.60. 2 decimal places, 2 decimal places. Now, find the greatest one. The greatest one is 8, 8, 8, they are the same, 7, so this is the least one. 8, 8, 8, 6, 6, 6. So go to 100th place and follow the order. 3, 0, 5. The greatest one is 8.65. So you have to write it, cut it and write it. 8.65. This is the greatest one. Followed by 8.63. 8.63. Followed by 8.6, which is 8.60. 8.6. Followed by 7.99. This is the order from greatest to least. So you have to write the order from greatest to least. Next, by the same way, equate the decimal places. 4 decimal places, 4 decimal places, 4 decimal places, 4 decimal places. Now go to ones place. 2, 0, 1, 0. Which one is the greatest? 2. Now the greatest number is 2.7054. 2.7054. Followed by what? Followed by 1. 1.2396. 1.2396. 0.96, followed by what? Yes, maybe 0 point, 0 point, they are the same. 9, they are the same. 8 in 100th place, 2 in 100th place. Which one is the greatest? 8. Now, followed by 0 0.98, 0 0.9832, followed by 0 0.9276. The greatest number is 2.7054. This is the greatest number. The smallest number or the least number is the last one, 0 0.9276. This is the least number. Next, round each number to the underlined place. The underlined place is the rounding place. So you have to determine the rounding place first. The rounding place is determined. It's underlined. So you have to circle the right digit and apply the rule of rounding. So circle 3, circle 2, circle 7. Keep your eye on the circled digit. If the circled digit is 5 or more, you have to change the underlined digit to be the next digit that we studied before. If the circled digit is less than 5, so keep the underlined digit as it is. It's a 3. So keep 4 as it is and change all digits to its right to be zeros. So we get 94 and triple zeros. Now we get it's rounded to be 94,000. Next, the circled digit is 2, so keep 8 as it is. We get 2.718. It will be the same. Next, the underlined digit is 7, circled digit is 7. 7 is 5 or more, is more than 5, so you have to change 7 to be 8. So write 1, 8 and change all digits to its right to be zeros, so we get 18,000. Next, by the same way, circle the right digit, which is 5, 7, 5, and apply the same rule. 5, 7, 5, it's greater than 5 or 5 or more. Now you have to change the underlined digit to be the next digit, or add 1 to the underlined digit. So 100, it's rounded to be 101. Now it's rounded to be 0.19. 9, it will be 10. 10 is two-digit number, so you have to add 1 to 1 or change the 10th place to be 2 and write 9 as 0. So we get 0.20. Next, 5, so you have to add 1 to the ones place. 9, now we get 99 plus 1, it will be 100. Next, rounding money. Round to the nearest cent. Round to the nearest cent means round to the nearest hundredth. So the rounding place is the hundredth place. Ask yourself, which digit in hundredth place? The hundredth place is 6. Hundredth place is 7. Now we determined the underlined digit or the rounding place. The second step, circle the right digit. So circle 8 and circle 2. 8 is 5 or more, so you have to change 6 to be 7. Now we get $4.37. Now it's rounded to be $4.37. Next, circle the digit is 2. Now keep 7 as it is. We get 5.47. It's rounded to be $5.74. Next, the underlined digit is hundredth place, or the rounding digit is 7. The rounding place is 2. Circle the right digit, which is 6. 5. Apply the same rule. You have to change 7 to be 8. Now we get $35.48. Next, the circled digit is 5. Now add 1 to 2 to be 3. We get $12.53. Next, round each number to the greatest non-zero place. Ask yourself, which place is the greatest place? It will be 2. So underline 2, and 2 is non-zero place. And circle the right digit and apply the same rule. Now the circled digit is 8. Now you can change 2 to be 3. Now it's rounded to be 3. Next, 68.347. The greatest place is 10th place. And circle the right digit, which is 8. Now change 6 to be 7. So it's rounded to be 7. The greatest place is 0, but it's 0 place. We have to determine the non-zero place. Now the non-zero place is 6. The 10th place is the greatest place, and circle 9. 9 is greater than 5. Now you have to change 6 to be 7. It's rounded to be 0.7. Next, 44.8243. The greatest place is 10th place, and circle the right digit. It's rounded to be 40. Next, the greatest place is 1st place, but it's 0. Go to next 0, 0. So the greatest non-zero place is 8, which is 1000th. Circle the right digit, which is 4. 4 is less than 5. Now it's rounded to be 0.008. So keep 8 as it is. It doesn't change. Next, the greatest non-zero place is 4, and circle the right digit, which is 7. Now you have to change 4 to be 5. We get 0.005. Next, how can we add two decimals? To add two decimals or more, you have to align them above each other. So the first step, just write the two numbers above each other, 3.905 plus 4.96. 4.96. You have to change or equate the decimal places. 3 decimal places, 2 decimal places. So you have to insert 1 0. Now you can add the two numbers. Start from right to left. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. Write 8 and carry 1 over 3. Bring down the decimal point first. 4 plus 4, it will be 8. So we get 8.865. Next, by the same way, align the two numbers above each other. So we get 0.4791 plus the next 1.085. 1.085 and equate the decimal places. 4 decimal places, 3 decimal places, just insert 1 0. Now you can add the two numbers. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Write 4 and carry 1 over 7, it will be 8. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Write 6 and carry 1 over 4, it will be 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. Bring down the decimal point. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Now we get 1.5641. Next, we have 3 places. Just align the 3 decimals above each other. The first one is 0.2613. The second is 0.45. 0.45. The third one is 0.852. 0.852. Now equate the decimal places. 4 decimal places. Now insert a 00 and insert 10. Now you can add the 3 decimals. It's easy. Start from right to left. Bring down 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 6 plus 5 equals 11. 11 plus 5 equals 16. Write 6 and carry 1 over 2. It will be 3. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. Write 5. Bring down the decimal point and bring down 1. Next, align the 3 numbers above each other. We have 4 decimal places, so you have to insert the triple zeros. Now 0.441, 0.541 plus 0.9 and write triple zeros. Next, 0.4637. 4637. Now you can add the 3 numbers. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Next, 4 and 6 equals 10. Write 0 and carry 1 over 5, it will be 6. 6 plus 9 equals 15. 15 plus 4 equals 19. Just write 9, bring down the decimal point, and write 1 in 1's place. So we get 1.9078. Next exercise, how can we subtract 2 decimals? By the same way, align the 2 decimals above each other. Equate the decimal places and start to subtract from right to left, as we studied before in addition. Now we get 9,002. Pay attention, it's a whole number, so you have to write the whole number as it is. 9,002. Write point and write 00. Why? Because we have two decimal places. 4,887. 4,887. Point, write point, and write 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Now you can subtract the two numbers. 0 minus 6, it doesn't work, so you have to rename the two numbers. Rename, cut 2 and write 1. Cut 0 and write 9. Cut 0 and write 10. It's easy. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Bring it down the decimal point. 1 minus 7, it doesn't work, so you have to rename again. Cut 9 and write 8. Cut 0 and write 9. Cut 0 and write 9. Cut 1 and write 11. Now you can subtract. 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. 9 minus 8 equals 1. 9 minus 8 equals 1. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So we get 4,114.44. Next, by the same way, align the two numbers above each other. 30.801 minus 17.91. You have to insert 10, equate the decimal places. Now you can subtract the two numbers. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 0 minus 1, it doesn't work. Rename, just cut 9 or cut 8 and write 7. Cut 0 and write 10. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. 7 minus 9, it doesn't work. Rename again, cut 3 and write 2. Cut 0 and write 9. Cut 7 and write 17. Now 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. Bring it down the decimal point. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So we get 12.891. Finally, if you like my video, subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching. See you next week.